$142 is what this fill plus art is going to cost my client today. Look at this grow out, absolutely no lifting. I believe this is like 5.5 weeks. My clients are willing to pay me what they pay me for a reason. I'm using Dynamic Nail Supply Enchanted Nude. Look how beautiful that is. And look right here how thick these are. That's because I'm correcting the curve downward to her nails, and this is the finished look. Absolutely stunning. Tell me what you think in the comments, and that's it. See you next time.